Good afternoon, students. How are you? Today our new lesson theme, Kazakhstan is my motherland. The aim of the lesson to enrich students' knowledge about Kazakhstan, to develop students' skills in oral speech and reading, to bring up the patriots of the motherland, being able to protect it. Nur-Sultan. Nur-Sultan is the capital city of Kazakhstan, known between 1998 and 2019 as Astana, and before that Akmola. It was renamed Nur-Sultan in March 2019 in honor of the departing Kazakh president Nursultan Nazarbayev, making it the second largest city in the country after Almaty, the previous capital between 1991 or 1997. Akmola became the capital of Kazakhstan in 1997. Since then it has grown and developed economically into one of the most modern cities in Central Asia. On 23rd March 2019, following a unanimous vote in Kazakhstan parliament, the city was renamed Nur-Sultan after former Kazakhstan President Nursultan Nazarbayev. Okay, let's start work with vocabularies. Listen how to read these words. Border, shekara, unitary, birtutas, government, басқару, independence, тәуелсіз, foreign, егемен, freedom, бостандық, population, халқы, juncture, қиылыс, multinational, көп ұлтты, value, құндылық, to divide, бөлу, language, тіл, anthem, and run. Okay. Pause the video and listen anthem of Kazakhstan.
Алтын күн аспаны, алтын дән даласы, ерліктің дастаны, еліме қарашы, ежелде ер деген даңқымыз
шықты ғой, намысын бермеген қазағым мықты ғой. Менің елім,
жырың болып төгілемін елім,
туған жерім менің Қазақстаным.
менің елім. Бірлігі жарасқан Қазақстан. Вместе мы Казахстан.
Read the short information about national emblem, national flag, and national anthem of Kazakhstan. The national flag of the Republic of Kazakhstan was adopted on June 4th in 1992. The author of the flag is Shakin Niyazbekov. The national flag of the Republic of Kazakhstan is a piece of right-angled cloth of sky blue color. There is a picture of a golden sun with 30-second rays in the center. The sun is the symbol of peace. You can see the eagle, the symbol of freedom, under the sun. There is a traditional Kazakh ornament on the left. The color of the flag is blue and yellow. National emblem of the Republic of Kazakhstan. The coat of arms of the Republic of Kazakhstan was adopted on June 4th in 1992. The authors of the emblem are Shanarbek Malibekov and Shotaman Walikhanov. There is a shanrak in the center of the emblem. It is two beams lying across symbolize the four parts of the world. the sun rays spreading all around the Shanrak. The mythological horses tulpars complete the ensemble. There is a star on the top, the inspiration Kazakhstan below. The state emblem is made in gold and blue color. It has border with Russia, China, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, and also joins a large part of the Caspian Sea. Okay, let's start our game time. Crossword. Answer the question. What is our nationality? It is one of the symbols of Kazakhstan. It is one of the mineral resources of Kazakhstan. Famous Kazakh poet, the first Kazakh astronaut. It is one of the symbols of Kazakhstan. It is the largest sea in Kazakhstan. It is the largest city of Kazakhstan. What is the capital of Kazakhstan in 1998-2019? Where is the Big Khan Tengri situated? Do exercise 1. Answer the question for geography of Kazakhstan. First question. Where is the Republic of Kazakhstan situated? Second question. What can you say about population of our country? Third question. What did Kazakhstan become an independent state? Fourth question. What is capital of Kazakhstan? And the last question. Who is the president of the Kazakhstan? Reflection. Now, I know, interesting, won't know, and different for me. Students, answer this question. Home task. Work with presentation. Do exercise 3 and write an essay, My Motherland. Exercise 3. Questions for national symbol. First question. What is national symbol of Kazakhstan? Second question. Please describe the flag of Kazakhstan. Third question. Please describe the emblem of Kazakhstan. Fourth question. What means the Shanrak? Fifth question. What means the golden and the blue sky color? Sixth question. Who is the author of flag? And the last question. Who are the author and the composers of national anthem? Okay, thank you for your attention. Goodbye, students.